19 FC, oh my bad, MT-07. Looks like a stealth bomber. Taking on a little ride. Dude, the front end is so smooth. It takes nothing to turn this thing.
No, it's so, just wait. Just wait. It gets better. Oh, it's leaking.
Is it leaking? Whoa, what the that looks like coolant or something.
Yeah, it was.
Alright, take two. Yeah. You just gotta let me know if you see anything. And I'll obviously pay attention to it. Right about there. Okay. This thing just got balls, I can already tell. Oh yeah. Holy sh! Oh man. Yeah. It's got balls. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's solid. No issues? Oh yeah.
Only 12,000 RPM too.
Do that passing button right there. I want to see what that does. So it literally just flashes your lights. That's dope. That's all new shit to me, man. I've never even had a fuel gauge on my bike.
Really?
Yeah, my next one won't have one either though. No man, keep going. Yeah, it's your bike, man. You got a rip on it. Oh, you are? Go for it, man. Yeah, alright, alright.
I don't want to go up there too late.
Yeah, I hear you. Signal. There it is. Sputter. Oops, that was my bad. Didn't give it enough juice. Rib matching is smooth as all hail. And as long as it don't give no more problems with that f***ing reservoir leaking, or the overflow, I think it'll be alright. What do you think? Look alright? Yeah, no problem, man. Hey, come over to the center here. Let me get my thumbnail. Anytime. You got it. You'll enjoy the hell out of that thing, man. Alright, man. Take it easy. Ride safe.
Thank you.
Anytime, bro. Peace.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...